Oh my gosh, ladies, she did not expect to feel this confident again. Not just hair, this is confidence restored. Yes, watch this powerful thinning hair alopecia hairstyle transformation designed to restore both beauty and confidence. Yes, this technique is using a gentle, scalp safe technique and natural blending. Yes, lady, of thin hair. Look at these shocking results. Yes, you too can wear a beautiful style just like this. This is Crochet boho braids, and they came out absolutely wonderful. Let's jump into this video and see how this style was created. Yes, ladies, this hair is absolutely gorgeous, easy to work with. It gives you a very full look. If you don't like really full, then you need to make sure that you do not use all packs that come with the lot. From Amazon, they come in what they call lots, and it came with 8 packs. We only used 6 because she did not want it too full. The amazing thing about this custom frontal is it also gives you edges, ladies. As you can see here, this is the band, and I am just crocheting on there, and look at those edges. This is not her natural hair. It is not pulling on her natural hair. The crochets is on that crochet cap. Yes, ladies, this is absolutely amazing. Super beneficial for those with thin hair, short hair, thin edges, no edges, alopecia. And as you can see here, I am going in and crocheting mainly on that crochet cap. Again, that is the purpose of using this crochet cap, so that I am not crocheting only on her natural hair. So I will be using the net to just crochet onto, as you can see here, not her hair, just the net. And I'm going to pull that through, and it's going to be crocheted on that net and reducing any extra pulling on her natural hair, because that's what we want. We want to wear protective styles, but we also want our hair to be growing underneath, and we want as much low tension as possible. So again, as you can see here, I am filling in that closure. Yes, West Coast Finest Custom Closure is the bomb. It works. If you have not tried it, you need to try it today. The clients that have used it are super in love with it. They only want to get their hair done with it now. Our customers who have ordered it have been giving us excellent reviews. I mean, again, if you have not tried it, you need to try it. It's affordable, it's reusable. We ship out next day. As soon as the payment clears, it is shipped out, and voila! Oh my gosh, this style came out absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, again, she can wear this in multiple styles. She can wear it pulled back off of her face. She can wear a center part. She can wear a left side part. She can wear a right side part. I mean, this style was so versatile. And look at that closure in the front. Look how that looks just like her natural hair. Oh my gosh. I am so loving this. Again, you can wear it in so many different styles. My client was so happy, so excited once she seen her hair in the mirror. She doesn't have to worry about combing her hair. She doesn't have to worry about, is her hair going to slip, slide, or shift. She is not using any glue, so she doesn't have to worry about that. And look how natural it looks, ladies. Oh my gosh, again, if you have not tried it, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website, and you can get your order in today for our custom closure. We also have custom frontals for those who have hair issues from ear to ear. They are also affordable, reasonable, reusable. Yes, they come in different colors as well. So look at these results. Again, this style came out absolutely gorgeous, simply beautiful. Continue to keep watching. Again, tap the link in the description below to get your order in today. And thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate all my subscribers. Please continue to support my channel by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. West Coast Finest here, and I am T. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.